That sale just got snake bit.
Good morning, guys. Snake here. It's Monday morning, and
Good morning.
today's video is going to be a little bit different because Mama Snake is home. She's supposed to be at work. The reason that she's home is because I have a procedure tomorrow, and Mama Snake is kind enough to stay home with me today to get me prepared for tomorrow's
Speaking
procedure.
of that, I don't think you can drink
Thank you. After 2,
that. Okay.
right?
You're supposed to be on a liquid diet all day.
All day.
All day. I mean, it is liquid, so drink your orange juice after that, nothing else.
Yeah, orange juice is like my morning coffee. So
Which
used
you
to-
can have black coffee.
I can.
Black coffee, no sugar, no cream.
I used to love coffee. Well, I still do love coffee, but I just don't like it stains your teeth and stuff, and it was really making my teeth like, I don't know. I just didn't like it. So I decided not to drink much coffee anymore. So anyway, yesterday's sales was not that great actually for a weekend, but I think the next couple days sales will pick up. Usually beginning of the month, middle of the month, and end of the month are the best sales times for us. So I think this is just the calm before the storm. I'm hoping anyway. So we didn't sell a lot, but the return on investment is actually pretty huge. So normally when we sell stuff, you actually already see it sitting right there. And the reason it's sitting there is because Mama Snake, turn on this light,
I take
Pulls-
everything out.
yeah, she pulls all the inventory.
Usually the night before, so that I don't have to wake up in the morning and scramble to do it.
Yeah, and then I pack it up. So Mama Snake usually handles the prepping for the listing, and then the inventory, and then I handle the rest. So let's follow Mama Snake as she pulls our, how many items we sell? 4?
4.
Our 4 items. All right.
Now, I always take my phone with me because it shows me exactly what's sold, so I know what I'm looking for when I go into the garage to look for it. So I always pull it up before I go out there, and that way I can see everything. So,
And by the way, if the garage is messy, or if you consider it messy, it is purely her fault. Okay? Okay.
it's not my fault. We have a lot of stuff. All right, so the first thing that's sold...
Don't run. Don't run. I can't catch you.
I'm not running. I'm walking fast. Are these salmon shoes. We have a lot of shoes, and I try to stack them in such a way that they're not getting dirty. So, but yeah, we've ran out of
So there's
room.
all our, I guess,
There's
tons of shoes.
Yeah, there's more over there too, just cause. All right, now I'm coming this way because we sold a Harley Davidson. Here's my Harley stuff. It's not that. This one. This Harley Davidson with the flame and the skull on the back. Sold that. And then I have to go back this way because there's one other thing over this way. And then the last item is in the house because I haven't filled that bin yet.
Hold on. I can't show them other stuff over here too. So you're in a bin?
Yes.
What bin is this?
So this is bin A. We started using the bins to store stuff because as you can see, we have a lot of stuff on shelves in here. And yes, it's easy to find and it's easy to see, but it's not really the best when you're trying to store a lot of stuff. So the bins allow us to kind of stack more in them. And so as you can see, this was the other item we sold. And we have, I think, 4 more of these. Yep. 4
Those
more.
are those,
Those, It Works.
It Works greens on the go.
Yeah. And a lot of times, the kids will come in and help me grab stuff too, so. But that's it from the garage. I'll let you turn that off. The last thing that we sold
Was Yoda.
No, you're not my Yoda.
The light in here sucks.
Yes. The last thing we sold, this box is still in the house because it's not completely full yet. Well, it's getting there. But, I listed this last night and it already sold. So.
What is that?
Why?
What is it?
Oh, it's a Funko Pop. It's a Moo Moo, right? From League of Legends.
Bless you.
Thanks. And it's a GameStop original vinyl Funko Pop.
Nice.
So.
What'd that sell for?
$21.77.
$21.77. Okay.
Yep. So there was only one listed higher, and it was listed for $39 and wasn't getting any interest. But for the most part, he was selling between $14 to $20. So most recently, he was selling for $19, and I put ours up for $21.77, plus shipping on top, and he sold within 20 minutes.
Right on. And then how much do those Solomon shoes sell for?
They sold for $34.99 plus shipping, and then this sold for I think $19 or $18.77, $19.77.
That's the
greens on the go.
Greens on the go. And
And
then
then we took an offer. Well, yes, we took an offer on this, and it sold for $40 plus shipping, and it's going to Belgium, I think.
yep, it's going overseas.
So, but yeah, this is a nice one. I like it.
There you go.
So that was it.
So yeah, there you go. So you got to see our little storage area there. We actually have stuff everywhere, but the main is that fan. That fan is probably going to be causing noise issues. But the majority of it is in the garage. So yeah. So I'm glad you guys finally get a chance to see how the stuff gets pulled, because I never do that. So
Nope.
now we're going to.
Except on the rare occasion when something sells and I forget to go get
Oh,
it
yeah.
before I leave, and then he calls me and I have to walk him through where it is, because for some reason I know where everything in the garage is.
Because she puts it in there. Anyway, all right, I guess I'm going to go ahead and start packing this stuff up. All right, guys, first thing we're going to pack are these Solomon sneakers here. Now, if those of you who have been watching the channel, you're probably asking yourself if this is deja vu, because these actually already shipped out a couple weeks back. They were returned because the customer didn't like them. So unfortunately, they got hit with their little fees and stuff for a buyer's remorse case. A lot of you guys don't know, you can charge the customer restocking fees and stuff like that for buyer's remorse cases, so that you're not out like the shipping cost and all that kind of stuff. Plus they have to pay their shipping. That's not something that they can have refunded to them. But anyway, these are going out for the second time. So let me go ahead and get these packed up. For shoes, I like to use the shoe box that is given to you by, can't see, yeah, there we go, by USPS. I don't really worry about the size on this one. It's not really something to worry about. It doesn't make a difference in the cost. So I just use void fill. Again, put sneakers in like that. And then I add void fill, which I need to go out in the garage and get. There we go. That weighs 1.8 ounces. Alright, and this is shipping for $11. right, now we have the Harley Davidson sleeveless shirt here, which is going overseas. And usually I put these in a bag, but being that it's going overseas, I am going to throw this in a box. Let's see what we got here. Yeah. Just offers protection. Because the bags can rip sometimes. There you go. That weighs 13 ounces. Okay, this is shipping $16 using Pirate Ship Simple Export Rate, I believe is what it's called. So if you guys are not familiar with Pirate Ship, I definitely recommend it, especially for overseas shipping. Alright, next we're going to be shipping out a Moo here. These 8x6x4s are invaluable right there, man. I use them for almost everything. We go ahead and wrap this with some bubble. There you go, it's nice and cushioned in there. And that is 7 ounces. And this was $3.29 to ship. Alright, last, some more of these guys. They must really work. Wish I can get my hands on more of these. There you go. Oh no. And this box size here is a 6x4x4. That weighs 8 ounces. And this was also $3.28 to ship. There we go. Alright, so that's it for today's video. As I mentioned earlier, got a procedure tomorrow, so you probably won't see a video from us for a couple days. So yeah, hope you guys enjoy the next couple days. For those of you who are on the hunt, hope you find a lot of treasure, and we'll see you closer towards the end of the week. Ben, did you want to say goodbye?
Bye.
Okay. I don't know if you heard her or not. But anyway, don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. Till next time, get snake bit.